Howdy ho, my fellow subtipanos. My name is StutterGamer, and welcome back to some more Outlast. Now, I got the key, and I don't know where the key goes. I don't know. I just don't know. So, I don't even remember what the key was called. Maintenance key, was it? Was it? No. How did I even get in here to start? Maybe help me find my way out. Alright, look around here. My heart is beating like crazy right now. Whoa! Wait, what? Who's after me? Who's after me? Who's after me? What the? What? Huh? Who was chasing me? What? Oh, crap. Here we go. More documents. Let's read these. Hold up. First. No. Read these. Brief news. Note. This is for support notational purposes only. Engage in no direct contact with patients during or after therapy. The wall rider, also known as an Alp, Mara, or Schrach, is a demonic creature of German origin that torments sleepers. They crouch on the sleeper's chest and crush the breath from him. The sleeper wakes terrified, paralyzed, and asphyxiating. The name Mara gives us the word nightmare. Sexual assaults by the demon are rare, but has been known to drink milk from the breasts of sleeping women and blood from the nipples of sleeping. Ew. Ew. It's nasty. That is nasty, you know. Okay. I'm curious. Can I actually jump to there? I doubt it. Chabuski! Nope. I can't. Okay, who was chasing me? Oh, it was you. Ow. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna Shabuski around you. I keep wanting to steal Markiplier's line for some reason. Alright, I'm just gonna shimmy around you. Because I don't know. Over here. Over here. Close the door. Hi. Shoot. No! No, you were supposed to close it. Oh, shoot. Gosh darn it. You don't see me. You don't see me. You don't see me. Oh. Hi, Mom. I found it. Oh, finally! Oh, I've been looking everywhere. I didn't know where that key went. I've been looking for like 20 minutes. Ah! Ah! You kidding me? Holy crap! After all that. Okay. Jabuski! Holy crap. That took way too long. Don't worry, guys. I'll make sure to cut that part out. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. Out of one danger into the next. Holy crap. Oh, boy. Okay, where are we going now? Ashtabuki. What's over here? Any batteries? I don't see any. Nope. Nothing to speak of. Nothing to speak of over here. I'm stressed. That took so long to find. I didn't think I'd ever find it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna over here. Is there anywhere else I can go? Is that the only place I can go? I must be on the top floor. Like the top floor. Alright. I guess I've got no other choice. I gotta go down there. Gosh darn it. These patrol guys are so annoying. Whatever. Shoot. Alright. You get out of here. Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Go here. And then... I did it. I'm a parkour beast. Alright, what's over here? Hide. Of course. Oh, who's coming? Who's coming? I hear someone coming. I hear someone coming. Ah! Oh no. Shoot! I'm assuming that's supposed to happen, but gosh darn it. 3! Yay! 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 I don't like these sounds. Sounds are freaky. Freaky deaky. Oh, that's a lot of bed piled on top. Okay. Someone really wanted bunk beds, so they decided to go all the way. Alright, how do I get out of here? How do I get out? Try the first door. That did not work. Well, actually, I got an idea. The beds. The beds, obviously. Duh. Let's think of that. Here. Okay. Am I back to where I was? Yes, I believe I am. Check over here. See our cans and stuff. Babooska, boo, 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 boo. I love to say shabooski, even though I'm copying Markiplier. I know I'm a douchebag, but that's okay, cause as long as I get off out of here. Where am I going? Oh. Stupid me. Silly me. Follow the blood. I'm still following the blood, apparently. Been following the blood for a long time. Thought I saw something flashing there. No. Who's that? Someone to watch him. Whoa. Oh. Documents. Nobody. Pick them up. Let's read these. Let's read these. Okay. How can I not remember where the cuts are coming from? They hurt so deeply. Even days later, Dr. Newhouse tells me that it's my fault. I'm subconsciously resisting the hypnotherapy, but I want so much to get better. I don't know how I could be doing this myself. Dr. Newhouse says that it's another condition of my bedroom-inspired hysteria. Poor Bruce, I make him suffer so. I've tried subtly to ask Mr. Jackson if she's had similar issues with her husband, but she is loath to talk about it. Her husband, too, has found comfort in a younger woman. Oh, okay. I know the doctors only mean well, and with the help of the government men who joined the staff, I'm in the very best hands possible. I should just take my pills and sleep, and hope for more pleasant dreams tonight. Yes, you should. I heard glass breaking. What was that? Who's out there? I don't like this. I don't like this. I knew it. I knew it was locked. I could tell. I just had a feeling. I've got a It's the ghost again! No. Trim it. Whoa. Oh, that's where I can't come in. Okay. I need to follow the ghost. Gosh darn it. Why me? Why me? I don't like ghosts. And I don't believe in ghosts, but still, I don't like ghosts. Whether or not I believe in them or not, they scare me. Oh boy. Just kill me now. Just kill me now. What's over here? Nope, nothing. Battery? There's a radio. I don't see anything flashing. No, guess not. What's over here? Hide. Yeah, anyway.
Hello? 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 My name is Kello.
He wants a privacy. I'll sublime to give him that privacy. Oh, okay. Lie. Oh, they lie. They lie. You know what? I've been recording for a while. I'm not sure how this episode may be a tad bit. You know what? I'm just gonna keep going for a while. I think this is gonna be too short of an episode. I'm just going around in circles. Oh no, that I just went back to where I was. Stop it! Stop it! I don't like it. Over here. The door. Oh, it's the Nudios. It's the Nudios. Get away from me. Get away from me. You can't slit my belly open. You can't have my liver. You can't have it. Get away from me. Get away from me. Blah, 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 blah. Don't tell me these are gonna be those kind of guys. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh gosh darn it! Tell me I wasn't supposed to do that. Okay. No. 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 No, no, no. Oh, dang. Crap. Where's he coming from? Where's he coming from? Can't tell where he's coming from. Oh, he's over there. Okay. Switch this out really quick. Why is there gotta be two of them, though? So unfair. Oh, shoot. Come on. Get going. Get going, big boy. Alright, where were they? Over here. Shoot. You don't see me. Okay. You know what? Since it's not really shown in detail, I'm probably gonna not censor it, because that's just... It takes a long time to censor. Wait, what? Why did that do that? That went way too fast. Okay. No, 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 you just... I got this. We got this, yo. Alright. We're good. We are so good. Deadly gumdrop, good. Check over here. Oh, dang. Okay. Alrighty. You don't see me. You don't see anything. You're blind to what I am. You can't understand me. You can't fathom me. I am like the boss of the bosses, yo. Where am I at? I don't know. Oh, don't tell me you gotta try and make that. Oh, please tell me. Jabuski! Oh, my camera! No, no, no! Come on, come on, come on, come on! No, get the camera! Get the camera! Get the camera! Oh! Oh, baloney. Oh no. I lost my camera. No, come on, come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, my camera. I lost my camera. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna have to end this episode here, guys. I'm not sure. Hopefully it won't be too long. Because of the fact that I had that mix-up, or not mix-up, for the part where I could not find where I was supposed to go. So that was a really long time, and I'm not sure how long exactly it was, so I don't know how long I have to cut out. So I don't know whether this will be a long episode, short episode, or average length. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hope you leave down your like, comment, maybe subscribe, and click on my channel for more stuff I've done. And come back next time for some more Outlast. Why isn't this game over yet? I wanted it to be over so bad, and I lost my camera. I'm gonna die. But until then, guys, stay, you know what, just awesome. Stay awesome. I'll think of something soon, but for now, just stay awesome. Blech.